Yes. So uqonda ukuthini u AM no PM lo sikhathi? AM no PM.
Boy, I got a rumor. They said I got drip. I'm like a fish, a barracuda. Flexing with that wrist, got that grease. We young tall.
Let's go. Hey yo, what up with your boy LA Stones? I'm back with another Shandis and you'll cover some figure to ban it's a show. Okay, first, so I'm back with another new episode. But first, yeah, Q&A and I'm trying to corner like how I do. But first, so yeah, no mistake, cool liaison. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ngesupporting nginikeza wena bafethu. Please do not forget to subscribe bafethu. Ngicela subscribe because inhloso bafethu is to reach 5k first subscribers this year. Comment bafethu, like and share and also do follow me on Instagram bafethu. It's LA Stones bafethu. Igama elilodwa yonke indawo TikTok ungasali. Always. Hey yo, what up with your boy LA Stones? I'm back with another Shandis and you'll cover some figure to ban it's a show. Okay, I'm here with
Peterson
and
Fezeka.
okay, well, first. So first questions first. But first, ngawo ukuthi uqonda ukuthini FNB.
First National Bank.
Okay, please name two countries first aqala ngo letter B.
Benin.
Brazil. Showcase. All right, skin jam.
Common sense.
Sometimes. Showcase. So please first highest amount I was spend a good day to keep it again.
It was 1.3, 1.4.
Usayichoka leo take namanje. Wena nje highest amount I spend a good day.
Around 1.5 lapho.
But jithi imali engaka yazi.
Spend nje emathekenini nawe yazi nawe.
Usayichoka leyo ngani?
She's too sick.
Ngikubuza first. Umuntu blind ukhuluma iphi language?
Blind. Oh, blind isn't beautiful.
Blind like ungaboni. Khuluma iphi language?
Ukhuluma language lezo okhulumayo mfethu. English, Afrikaans.
Just akakhona ukuyikhuluma because blind.
Akhona ukukhuluma.
Oh, blind. Uyakhuluma, akaboni.
Showcase. So uqonda ukuthini u AM no PM lo sikhathi? AM no PM.
Ayangwazi.
There. Alright, guys. So tell me, where is Africa located?
Africa is located on Earth.
Ne. Where is Africa located?
In Africa.
In Africa. Okay, last question. What is the difference between a baby and a child?
Baby and a child.
Yeah.
I have no difference.
What is the difference between a baby and a child?
A baby is like a toddler, more fingers apart, and the child, someone who's younger than a teenager, who's not a teenager.
Oh, and shout out, please shout out to Instagram. Laban bang follow on TikTok.
Or on TikTok, Pendulo Peterson, and on Instagram, I'm Pendulo Peterson too. Facebook, Pendulum Zumel.
Oh, and please shout out to IG.
Fezeka_13 Instagram, TikTok. Yeah.
Oh, and shout out ngiyabonga. Always. Hey yo, what up with your boy LA Stones? I'm back with another Shandis and you'll cover some figure to ban it's a show. Okay, I'm here with
Q first.
Okay, so Q first questions first. Highest amount I spend a good days?
I don't spend money on women.
Why?
I believe that's called simping.
Okay again, jam. So tell me, jam, going to see no apps.
Apps afethe bank yabo uqonda ukuthini angazi bese usangendawo.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care. Let me tell you. We don't care.
Okay, FNB ona.
FNB First National Bank.
Now we bank nje.
Showcase kodwa FNB ngendaba now because ngiyawusebenzisa.
Away. So what's the best thing to have for breakfast?
Pussy. Iqe mfethu.
Man, it's just jokes. It's just joking. Man, Jay, yabona nje.
Okay, alright, jam. So tell me, uqonda ukuthini AM no PM lo sikhathi?
Yeah, mfethu angeke ngikhohlise angazi bhuti wami.
So what is the capital city yaKwaZulu-Natal?
Pietermaritzburg.
Okay, what's the difference between a baby and a child?
Baby and a child. A baby, I think it's more of an infant. A child's like adolescence type of stage. About also stage less adolescent, sure.
Alright, yeah, I'm so West Africa located.
Africa is located. Oh, say some signs. It's Africa, hey boy.
Whereabouts?
Whereabouts? Yo, angazi bro.
Away. Okay, please shout out to Instagram. Abantu bafollow account on TikTok.
Instagram ngosebenzise, as Aries said, they can get over me. Yabo, showcase.
Away.
Reason for that. Because man, Instagram fair so most people have access to you, yabo.
Yeah.
Nabantu ngafuni bane access now. Maybe be exclusive, dog. Yabo. Just be exclusive.
Alright.
Yeah.
So tell me talk best advice you'll give about some joy on tin.
Best advice about umjola. Yo. Amantombazane mfethu, they'll always leave you for a better nigga. So mfethu, focus on getting money. Ngwana amantombazane because girls don't. Awayinda amantombazane mfethu. As a wise man once said mfethu, you'll never lose bitches chasing money, but you'll lose money chasing bitches. Yes sir.
Always, please, yeah, man. Goodness. Yo, what up? It's your boy LS Stones. I'm back with another Shandis and you'll cover some figure to ban it show. Okay, I'm here with
Anel Sola.
you are?
Or
Okay, well, first question first. Now we'll see. Conducting FNP.
First National Bank.
Alright, so tell me first. So I'm keeping chasing me every days.
Mina ngamkhip. Sure, 50-50.
Alright. So tell me your man first. What's the best thing to have for breakfast? Cereal. Okay, yeah, first. So who's the deputy president of South Africa?
Angimazi.
Okay, conducting apps.
Awangazi Nkosi yami.
Okay, please shout out to Instagram la abantu bangakufollow account.
Shout out.
Instagram wakho. Sini igama lakho Instagram?
Well, I don't have Instagram.
TikTok?
Nah.
Oh, now.
I don't use social media.
Alright, ngiyabonga kakhulu ne. Always. Okay. Yo, what up? It's your boy LS Stones. I'm back with another Shandis and we'll cover some figure to ban it show. Okay, well, first, so I just want to say thank you for covering the video. First, so fake cleaning. Lukhululeza first, as I always do promise our first to lukhululeza first. Say lo na ke first to one ngilendile khona lapha first go embassy building ba first. Please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe and share ba first. So tshele nabanye batshela abanye ukuthi uLS Stones sefikile first. Yeah, ngiyababona nabanye abamuva kodwa ngeke baze bamove so wami first. So please do follow me on Instagram ba first. So same kama yonke indawo e_LS Stones ba first. Always.
And the loose language terminology for it is purpose or calling or your mission and vision in life. Like, what are you meant to do? It's kind of like what you're meant to do. And the thing about Dharma is Dharma talks about how we think we have to learn lots of stuff.
Going up. Namabanga tini we going up. But I believe it's alright. But I know God do we going up. Bachela sahehi asiba megi. Going up. Abasuge keleni, it's up where we heading.